This is my screencast of the Internet of Things, and I was in Group 1. So here is the home page, and our topic was on the Internet of Things. Here is an overview and purpose of our research. So basically, it's to explain what exactly is the Internet of Things. Take smart home as an example. We also explore some topics related to the Internet of Things, including security, government regulations, facilitating functions, advantages and disadvantages, and finally positive impacts. Then here we listed everyone's subtopic, and then included a video of the Internet of Things. Then that's our picture. I chose to do what is the Internet of Things. Here I explained the definition of it, which is IoT, refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, that then connects and shares data. So then here at the bottom, I chose what to do, an example of it is, and how the Internet of Things is involved, and how anything that can be connected will be connected. Then here are my 2 links. Click on here. Here's my first article.
When you talk about the digital transformation, it's kind of a...
Then here is my second. And this just explains exactly what it is. And then I also included back to home page. And I included the reference and team page so you can go directly to it. And here is our team members. This is my second topic, and I just decided to do an example of IoT, so I just chose to do smart homes. So for this part, I just explained in detail what a smart home is and why you should consider starting one. I also listed how smart homes are advancing in the years to come. And here's my 2 links for that, if you wanted to see more information on it and what they look like. So here is my first link to that. It includes a video. Here's my second. And this one explains what they'll look like in 10 years, which I thought was really cool. Then I include a video, so you can just click on that. And then also back to home, team page reference. So, doing this project, I learned what exactly is the Internet of Things before I didn't know what it was or stood for. And creating this Wix site, I learned more about creating links and learning how to actually do APA citations, because I didn't know how to do that before. For this project, I was in charge of creating the homepage and making sure everyone was staying on track with everything and due dates. And I also gave ideas for the group project, but overall we just went with the Internet of Things instead. Then also, here is our reference page, and mine was the first 2, so there's my references. And then our team page, mine was the second one here, so here's me. My major is Administrative Office Management, and I graduate this December. I enjoy spending time with family and friends, and in my free time I like watching movies. So, this was my screencast of the Internet of Things. Thanks for watching.